Yes, Betty Cheese. Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Whew, it is so cold here today. I think the wind chill makes it like 0 or -1. It's right around 0. But yeah, we are headed to the post office. I've got this, I didn't want to come out. I didn't want to go out in this and all today, but we've got packages. Jacob was something that needed to be shipped. And I don't know, I'm weird about, it's not supposed to get that much warmer in the afternoon, so, and I also have this weird thing, like I like to get packages out in the morning, so that way then, like they ship faster. So we had to go to 2 places. We got to do a UPS drop-off and then the regular post office. And then we're coming home. So we're back home now. We've been back home for a little bit under an hour. Evie is napping. And we are having some food. Well, Owen's having a snack. He's having some peanut butter. And then I'm heating up some leftovers. We eat at weird times in this house. Honestly, I kind of eat whenever I can. Because like once the kids eat, or like Owen's eating lunch, Evie needs lunch, or needs her second kind of feed. I don't really have time to eat, so I kind of just eat when I can. And if I don't eat at this time, whenever I have some downtime, whenever he's like occupied coloring or having a snack himself, we were just playing with stickers. That's that mess. Don't look back there actually. I have to eat then, otherwise I won't eat. So that's my check-in. Okay, another update. It's almost 3, I think now. Evie just woke up from her second nap and she's very happy. She's a very happy girl in her crib right there. I'm getting her out. Honestly, I feel like today's been pretty slow. Do you think that too, girl? I've also just been like really tired today, so, and I mean, I don't know why. Well, I do know why. It's because Jake and I stayed up way too late last night. I feel so bad that he, like, had to get up and went to work, but he knew what he was doing. He knew the time. But we kept watching. We were watching New Girl last night, so. Anyways, yeah, we were, baby. We really don't have plans today at all, which is kind of nice. That's kind of why we've just been like hanging around the house mostly today. I mean, I've gotten like I did more laundry because I do laundry every day. I also vacuum every day, so I did those 2 things. Like whenever I wasn't checking in and whatnot, but yeah. Now we're gonna get this girl out and she's gonna play. Yeah. Anyways. Well, I've already had an eventful morning. Also, welcome to day 6. Also, I did not film much more yesterday. Eventful morning because Owen decided to shred one of our dog's paw print ornaments, but I guess on the bright side, it at least reminded me to order one for Luna. So I'll just order 2. So I'm about to get on Amazon, order some things. Okay, so it is like almost 11. I'm about to have a little something to eat. Owen is watching, what are you watching, buddy? Spidey. And he's also having a snack. He's got peanut butter, pretzels, and cheese. He's living a great life right now. Yeah. I just finished doing the dishes, and I needed to find like some random chargers for things that, like Jacob's Kindle. And then we had like this iPad that had like a case, like a typing case attached to it, that we needed to find the charger for. So I did that. Also need to go ahead and find all of like the Christmas cookie recipes that I think that we want to do this year. That way then we know, because I mean, it's already the 6th and we have made nary a Christmas cookie. So I want to get all of those out, make sure we have the ingredients and stuff. So then we can get it if we need to. And then Evie's got like this footprint ornament that I want to do. I did order the paw print ones off Amazon. They'll be here Monday. So we'll do those Monday. Is there another thing I have on here? Oh, I also want to go through like their playroom toys. They just have a lot, and you know, with the Christmas season, like they're gonna be getting more, and I want to instill in my children at a young age, like that if there's a toy that you're not playing with, then we can give it to somebody who needs it. So yeah, that is my plan. I don't know if it'll happen today. Tomorrow I have like a double work event for my natural skincare makeup business, which I have linked down below, the Facebook page / website for that. And yeah, that's all for now. I almost don't even want to film this. Both kids are asleep. I don't even know what to do with my time right now. I don't know how long. Particularly Evie will sleep because she woke up like, I don't know, I think she was awake for like 30, 40 minutes maybe. But she was hungry, and then she like fell asleep when she was eating, and she seemed tired, and she's asleep now. So I don't know how long she'll actually stay asleep. I never know how long Owen will nap either. It's just a crazy game we play here. But I feel like they never usually nap at the same time. Let's see what I can get into, I guess. I'm probably gonna do some eBay type things, like putting up Hallmark ornaments, because I need to keep on that, because I've got, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, that box right there to post, plus a whole nother tote, or the whole rest of it too. I need to get on it. So I got some work done, just like 30 or so minutes worth. Owen actually woke up first, but I was able to get him back to sleep. But as I was getting him back to sleep, I heard this girl wake up. Yes, I did. I heard you wake up, baby. So now we are gonna go back, and she's gonna have fun with her little toy and her bouncer seat. Hopefully she'll let me continue to get some work done while brother's still asleep. What do you think, girl? What do you think of that? Is that a good idea? What do you think? Alright, gonna get to it. So apparently Frankie's joining us. He just crawled up here. Evie is taking another nap, and we are watching The Grinch. The newest one that's come out, not How the Grinch Stole Christmas or anything. Owen has watched it 3 times fully this year alone, and he requested to start it again, so that's fine. I'm just queuing up some things to post for tomorrow for resale. Also, if I look crazy, this eyebrow over here has a new product that I'm testing out on it, so I wanted to test it without it. And then both eyes have another I'm testing out mascara as well, so we'll see how that goes. Looks pretty okay on camera. What do you think, buddy? Look good? I love you. But yeah, and then Jacob is going to pick up some McDonald's when he's on his way home. So that's what we're going to do for dinner tonight. We might make some cookies, but we are going to watch another Christmas movie besides this. So yeah, we're just chilling on the couch. Me, Frankie, Owen, Yodi, Bruno, Mocha. And I would suspect that Luna is upstairs chilling where she likes to chill, or she's in the seat that she likes to sit in. I hope that the fan isn't too loud, but I just wanted to sign off for tonight. We did watch like the live action How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and then Owen should be laying down. I'm hoping he's asleep, but I just came up and I took my shower, got all ready for bed. But yeah, actually I think I just heard him. I think he's awake. Perfect. But tomorrow should be fun. I do have to work, so I won't be filming a lot, but I'll try to get some footage at the event. At least the first one I have to go to, because it's a concert, so yeah. Good morning, you all. Welcome to day 7. I'm on my way to my first work event of the day. So yes, there's that. I feel like it's already been a whirlwind of a morning. It's almost 10 o'clock now. Obviously, like, I had to put Evie down for a nap because she won't eat without me, and all of these things. Like, the event hasn't started yet. I think we're just now able to set up. And then I ran by the post office because I had like 6 orders yesterday. 4 orders came in within like an hour to 2 span. So that was awesome. I have all my reselling platforms linked down below. I also have my natural skincare makeup line linked below as well. Everything I'm wearing right now is from my natural skincare makeup brand. And I'm so excited. The only thing, there are 2 things on my face right now that are not up yet because they're still kind of in like trial phase. But it is so exciting to say that everything on my face I made and is completely all natural, all handmade. I never thought this was possible. I think it's awesome. We didn't know, when I was in high school, I knew I wanted to go for chemistry once I figured out that I did not like physics, because I was going to be an engineer, or thought I wanted to be an engineer, because I really liked science and math. But then, once I realized I liked chemistry, my dad was like, why don't you do like cosmetic chemistry, because I love makeup so much. So actually, before I had this channel, I had a beauty channel. So just fun facts about me. But I wanted to be a cosmetic chemist. I went to school for chemistry. And then I was a teacher. I taught biology. So I do have my teaching license in biology. I did also go to school to be a teacher. After I was already hired by a school. But like now that I can make makeup, it's like a dream come true. I'm living my best life, honestly. I'm doing all of the things I love to do. I get to stay at home with my kids, I mean most of the time. So I get to watch them grow up. I get to make makeup and like sell it and sell skincare, and it's awesome. And I also get to resell, which I love doing. My aunt used to own a consignment shop, and I always said that I would own my own consignment shop because, I don't know, I love like the thought of reusing and not just buying new surplus all the time. Anyways, that was a long little rant. I don't know how much I'm going to check in today, like I've said before, just because it is busy. But I will try to get footage just because I do think that this is the fun, interesting part of my life. Most of my day-to-day is the same thing over again, but that's okay. I love it. Yeah. Whew, I feel like today has been such a whirlwind. I didn't film much because like I was just so busy. Like at the event, like getting everything set up and things like labeled and everything like that. And then I had a secondary event, like a birthday party to go to, so I wasn't going to film that because no. But whew, now I'm going to pick up Jacob and the kids, and we're going to go to my aunt's house for dinner so we can see them, have dinner with them. Actually, it's the same aunt that like last week we had dinner with, and then we're probably gonna hopefully have time to stop at the grocery, but we shall see what happens. Yeah, I don't know how Evie will do because she usually goes to sleep around 6 and it is almost 5:30 now, so hopefully she hangs in there. Maybe staying up a little bit later will help her sleep because she has been up like every 2 hours, and I can't figure out why. I think she might be going through like a growth spurt or something, because I think she's just extra hungry. So, yeah. I'm also just trying to warm up because our event was outside. That's why my nose is so red, because I was outside. It was so cold. But, yeah. On the way to do that. But I probably won't vlog tonight after this, because like I said, we're just going to the grocery, going to see my aunt and their new puppy. I'm pretty excited to see their new puppy. She was very excited to tell me about their new puppies. Crazy. I do kind of have a headache though, because at the party, what we were doing, it was for work. They got to make their own lotion, but they had a ton of essential oils, so there were so many smells everywhere. And once I left, that's when I realized that I kind of had like a headache. So, yep. That's all. She found you. Good morning. Welcome to day 8, the last day in this set of vlogs. I feel like this morning has been crazy. So yesterday, whenever I was at my work thing, and I think it happened when Jacob came and brought the kids for just a little bit. The dogs, well, the 2 big dogs, Frankie and Bruno, got into like a butt cream tube. And zinc oxide is very toxic to dogs. So they've been getting sick. They got sick like everywhere yesterday and last night. So I've got like literally 5 loads of laundry to do, and then we've cleaned so much so that we ran out of paper towels. So they needed to go get we needed dog food. So him and Jacob and Owen are on their way to go get some dog food, and then paper towels as well. But we're gonna have a bright day. We went to the store last night, so we don't have to like do really anything like that today. We minus them going now. We don't have to leave the house, which is nice. And I think we're gonna make some cookies, but while they're gone, I have a couple orders that I want to get packaged up, and I also would like to maybe get the cookie stuff out. I've got some things that I need to do for work, because I can always work, but I do want to be intentional about taking time today with them to make some cookies, which I'm going to. I'm going to take that time. And then we're going to watch like football and stuff. So all fun things. I'll have time to work later. I just might want to like see kind of what I have going on, but I'm going to get to work packaging up these couple orders. So I think I'm gonna sign off here for the night. I haven't checked in a while. We did make those cookies together, and then we kind of just, honestly, we all ended up taking a nap at some point today, and then we kind of just hung out, and I got a little bit of work stuff done, and no one got to kind of watch while we were all kind of together, like in the same room, just kind of doing like different things. So that was kind of nice to be all together still. But yeah, I'm gonna sign off. If you all did enjoy, be sure to subscribe down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.